Yes, right there. Hey everybody, it's Country Boy Tested. Got my neighbor from up the street. He got a Movcan, and we're about to take it out and put it together. Be right back with you. Welcome to Country Boy Tested here. Guess what? It's my boy Jay.
What's up, man?
From up the street. Everybody, this is Jay. He just got, guess what? Movcan. It just came in FedEx. We about to take it out, put it on the crane. This is my little mini crane here that makes life so much easier. And we're gonna get started putting this puppy together. We'll shoot the video, everybody, and then I'll do a little time lapse on it so we can get this thing done. How about that? Okay, one of the reasons you take your time. You see everybody online, they get these boxes, they kick them, they punch them, and they do all the stupid stuff that you've seen other people do. Open your box from the top. Do not cut the sides. The reason you want to do this is if there is a problem with the bike and you have to pack it back up and send it back, you have your box. So make sure you don't do that TV bull crap, tear your box up, and then have a problem and don't have a way to ship your bike back. Country Boy Tested, trying to keep you in. So far we got everything put in. We got mirrors. No, we put mirrors. We ain't got no mirrors. We got the handlebars put on. He was happy to know that there is a charging port on here. We ain't gonna take his tape off because that is something that is, can y'all see me in there? Yeah, okay. That is something that is precious and religious, and the owner of the bike gets to do that. We're gonna show him do the peel off though right before we take it out on the ride. All we got left to do, everybody, is we're getting ready to put the pedals on and the back footrest, and then we're gonna take it for a ride. How about that? All right, we got it put together, everybody. We got it put together. We're getting ready to fire it up and take it on its inaugural run. If you'll come over here, sir, and press your power button, and let's fire it up. Oh yeah, we got to put that on.
This power button, right?
Yep. Just press it and hold it, and there it goes.
Oh my goodness! Wow.
She came on. First time firing it up. Got 0 miles, everybody, but we getting ready to take it up the road for a little test drive here, and we're gonna put the first mile on it. Woo! Let's give Jay a hand, everybody. There it is. Got the bike together. She looks marvelous.
Yes, she does.
That is the Movcan. That's the one with the 1,000-watt motor on the rear. And as you see, they did some upgrades. They got the mag wheels on them now. I'm ordering me a set of mag wheels for mine because these are stronger and they stay true. So I'm gonna be ordering these to upgrade mine. As you see my baby sitting over there.
That's got turn signals.
Yeah.
That's badass, dude.
He loves the turn signal.
Yeah.
He loves all the little goodies that we got on the bike here. You see the Movcan, I was explaining to everyone. This is one of the better bikes to buy it's a better entry level bike to buy. If you're getting into e-biking and you've never had an e-bike before, go ahead and get you a Movcan. How much did you pay for this?
It was $930. That's with it was $700 altogether just for the bike.
$700?
Yes.
And by the time shipping, tax, and everything,
yeah.
$930.
$930. It's the best bike I've ever had. It's awesome. Y'all should get one.
All right.
Yes,
That's what's up. That's what's up. That's my boy Jay, y'all. My neighbor up the street here. We stay in touch. You're going to see him on the ride. We're going to be taking him out. As a matter of fact, we're getting ready to take him out right now. Join us. All right. We're getting ready to take this inaugural ride here. Let me put this in here. This is his first time riding this bike, so I want him to have both hands on. So I'm going to be oh my goodness, I'm about to flip my plant over. Do not do that. That's a pretty plant. Y'all, I love my plants. If you know about them plants, you know they high as the devil right now. All right, let's turn my baby on. Woohoo! Now, the Movcan is taking over the country, everybody. We becoming a biker gang.
Hey, what's this right here?
Check your battery.
Okay.
Yeah, hit it. See what it say. Yeah, you blew. Oh, you got a lot of juice still left. It's more full than it is empty. All right, you ready? All right, take. Oh crap, wrong one. You found your horn and stuff right here. All right, let's kick it up a notch and take it off that front wheel drive. All right, ready when you are. Your throttle is over there, should be twist. Yeah, there you go. Watch out, dude. All right. Push your pedal down and get your foot up there. There you go. All right. You got your right signal on. Huh? Yeah, there you go. That's it. And he got to tighten the phone up, but that's all, yeah. There it is. Look at it. Look at it. Ain't it gorgeous? That's a pretty bike. We got it set up too. We got it ready. Country boy tested. This is what we do. We help our folks. We help our neighbors. We put everybody on. Everybody else charge you $150 to get it done. We did it for cheaper than that. Yeah. Tire got to be set a little bit. No, I can't tell. I think that ram is moving. No, it's good. You hit it. There we go. There it is. That's the Movcan, everybody. Movcans. 1,000. Why? Uh-oh. Y'all can't see King. There it is. There it is. That great looking bike. Look good with that brown seat too. See, I'm gonna order me the mag wheel. Here we go. Next we gotta get Ryan on the bike. It's coming, it's coming. We're about to get him on one. I'm gonna have the whole neighborhood on them. Movcan, I told y'all, if y'all send me some newer stuff, I can move them for you. Yes sir, she looking good too. And the cap covers are in this thing too. Those are those two little black covers you can put on the front screws, on your front caps. And this is where we, all right. Yes, let me put his put his box over here. Look at him. Look at him. We got a gang of them, y'all. We got a gang of them. Got his box in. Look. Oh, I forgot his pump. Forgot his pump. Now, I got this off the internet. I got this off of what's that? Amazon. I got that off Amazon they were on sale when I got them. Now they're like 50 bucks.
Okay.
And you see it just mounts to the little brackets on your light.
Yeah.
And just give it that motorcycle look. Cause see, you got that ring on there too. Get off, look at the ring. Wait, is it on? Oh, when you turn it on, oh, he forgot to do something, everybody. You gotta do the customary. You must peel the tape.
Okay. Show
them the peeling of the tape. The peeling of the tape.
Oh wow, that's badass.
Now, yeah.
Let's see,
The peeling of the tape.
The lights on.
Hold on. Yeah, they're on now. Now turn them off. And see the ring, it's got a light ring.
Yeah.
When the bike is on, put your kickstand down. Come check out the front. You got it. Hold it. There you go. I got you. All right. See, you got that beauty ring on the light.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and that runs, when it's on, that's how you know it's on, because that little ring glows.
Okay.
Yes. Welcome to the family of superpower. All right, everybody, thank you for stopping by. We got another happy rider. He's also a subscriber, y'all. If you hadn't subscribed to the page, come on and join us. We have fun. We put bikes together. We work on bikes. We talk bikes all day, every day. New laws.
Get one. They're bad.
Yes, yes. And this is the Movcan family, you see, is expanding. This is a great entry-level bike. It's got everything you need out of the box. Phone holder. You got a charger under here for your phone. It comes ready to go. As you see, it's got plenty of charge. I know he ready to get on it. See what its top speed is and everything else. We're gonna play a little bit, y'all. So we'll hit you back later.